Hello friends, I am Pramod. Today we will discuss about the type 3 of the shortcut method. Okay, what is type 3? We know that f of d into y equals to f of x. This is the general form of the linear differential equation. But if f of x equals to e raised to x type first, sin of x or cos of x type second, x raised to p type third, e raised to x into v type fourth, and x into v type fifth. Okay, so x raised to p means what? Any integer. So that is, if f of d into y equals to f of x or capital X, that is what? This is only the capital, that is the f of x. This is the function of f of x. D square plus 1 into y equals to x square plus 1. Okay, 3x square plus 2x means if f of x equal to x square plus 1, 3x square plus 2x, x plus 1, then in this case you will use the type 3 of the shortcut method. So if f of x equal to x raised to p and p is any positive integer, then pi equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x equals to 1 upon f of d equal into x raised to p. Then in this case we will use binomial series. Okay, so that is, what is binomial series? Note 1. So in case of binomial series, you will arrange the expression 1 plus z raised to n, or 1 upon 1 plus z, or 1 upon 1 minus z. So this is 1 plus z raised to n equals to 1 plus nz plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial z square plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial z cube. It will be continuing. This is the first formula. Similarly, 1 upon 1 plus z, if plus will be there, 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube, it will be continuing. If plus will be there, the expression will be plus minus will be alternate to each other, and 1 upon 1 minus z. So 1 minus, either minus will be there, if it will minus, then all the expression will come in the plus. So 1 plus z square plus z cube, it will be continuing. So in type 3, whenever you will apply the binomial series or the binomial theorem, generally you will use the note 1, 2 and 3. So simply, generally most of the problems they are using the note 2 and 3. Also you can use this one. But to convert the particular f of d in the form of 1 upon 1 plus z or 1 upon 1 minus z is very important. Suppose this is d square plus d square plus d plus 1 into y equals to x square. Suppose. So what is the value of f of x equal to? So f of x equal to x square. Matlab you will use the binomial series. So you will find the CF and thereafter you will find the PI. So to find the PI, you will arrange the f of d in the form of 1 upon 1 plus z or 1 upon 1 minus z. So here f of d equal to d square plus d plus 1. So that is, so what is the value of pi? 1 upon d square plus d plus 1 into x square. So this is 1 upon 1 d square plus d plus 1 means, so this plus 1 you can write as a 1 plus this. So now, so this is what? This is 1 plus z. Now this is 1 upon 1 plus d square plus d into x square. So here what is the value of z? Because this expression, the d square plus d plus 1, you will arrange in the form of 1 upon 1 plus z or 1 upon 1 minus z. But here there is no minus, only you will arrange in the form of 1 upon 1 plus z. So 1 upon 1 plus d square plus d. So what is the value of z? So z equals to d square plus d. Okay. So then, so 1 minus z plus z square. So you will put the value of z, d square plus d, in this expression. Then you will solve with x square. So now we will solve the various types of problem based upon type 3. Now we will solve the various types of problems based upon the type 3, x raised to p. So p is to मतलब x square. So in this way, मतलब if you will know, or if you will know that 25x square, 1 plus x, 1 plus x square. So x square is there, means you will know that you will use the type 3. So first you find the CF solution. Okay. So auxiliary equation, d square minus 2d plus 5 equals to 0. फैक्टराइजेशन पॉसिबल है क्या हमारा? फैक्टराइजेशन 5d माइनस 5d प्लस 3d, नो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमारा 50 आ जाता है, तो द फैक्टराइजेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. तो हेंस यू विल यूज हियर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. मतलब दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 0. तो x इक्वल्स टू माइनस b प्लस और माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac upon 2a. You will find the value of a, b and c. So what is the value of a is here? A equals to 1. What is the value of b? B equals to minus 2. And what is the value of c? C equals to 5. Then d equals to minus b plus or minus 2 का स्क्वायर 4, b स्क्वायर माइनस 4a मतलब 1, c मतलब 5 का रूट अपॉन 2 into 1. So this is 2 plus or minus 5 for the 20. तो 4 minus 20 minus 16 का रूट अपॉन 2. So this is 2 plus or minus 1 का रूट I, 16 का रूट 4 upon 2. So this is 1 plus or minus 2y. 2 कॉमन करो, कैंसिल करो. So alpha equals to plus or minus I beta. Alpha equals to 1, beta equals to 2. So what is CF? CF equals to e raised to alpha x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So this is the value of CF. Now we will find PI. PI equals to 1 upon f of d into f of x. So this is 1 upon f of d, d square minus 2d plus 5 into 25x square. Because in case of type 3, you will arrange in the form of 1 upon 1 minus z or 1 upon 1 plus z. Okay, तो हमको एक 1 चाहिए. You need 1 to bring in the form of 1. You take the lowest power term of d. इधर d square है, इधर d raised to 1 है, इधर हमारा d raised to 0 है. This is the lowest power term of d. Or you will take the constant. Here 5 is the constant, so that constant you will take as a common. So that is 1 upon 5 will be common, d square minus 2d by 5 plus 1. Okay, तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो 5 ये हमारा ओरिजिनल टर्म आ जाएगा, and 5 into 1 5. Okay, so in this way you will convert in the form of 1 upon 1 minus z or 1 upon 1 plus z to take or to bring the common of the constant. The constant you will take as a common into 25x square. So this is the logic behind it, to bring in the form of this term. Okay, so now this is 1 upon 5, so 1 upon 1 plus d square minus 2d upon 5. तो ये हमारा 25x square. तो 1 upon 1 plus z में हमारा कन्वर्ट हो गया. तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ 1 upon 1 plus z? 1 upon What is the formula of 1 upon 1 plus z? 1 upon 1 plus z equals to 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube. It is continuing. So this is 1 upon 1 plus z. 1 upon 1 plus z. So this is the value of z. Okay. So this is 1 upon 5 1 minus z d square minus 2d upon 5 plus z square d square minus 2d upon 5 का square. It is continuing into 25x square. So 25 is constant that you take outside. This is 25. Okay. So there is a question, sir, 1 minus z plus z square z cube z raised to 4. So how many terms you will take? So based upon the x square, what is the value of d? 2x. What is the value of d? So this is x square is there. What is the value of d? 2x. What is the value of d square? 2. What is the value of d cube? 0. Okay. So ये d square, ये d cube, मतलब 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube. तो minus z cube is not required because d cube will be automatically 0. So hence I didn't take in the cube terms. Okay. So this is 5 1 minus d square minus 2d upon 5 plus a minus b का whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4d square into d cube upon 25. And thereafter the next term d cube will be there, that will be 0. It is not required to take. Okay. So now you will put all these values. So 5. So this multiplied by this. So x square into 1. This is x square minus. ये देखो what is the value of d square is, मतलब this multiplied by this. So what is the value of d square? 2. So 2 d square into x square, मतलब the double derivative of x square is 2. So that is minus ये 2, ये minus 2 into d. What is the value of d? D is 2x. So this is 2x upon 5 बस ये हमारा d रेस टू 4 है, ये d रेस टू 4, ये हमारा d क्यूब विल बी 0. 4 d स्क्वायर मतलब 4 d स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ d स्क्वायर? 2. तो 4 इंटू 2 इक्वल्स टू 8 अपॉन 25. So just this one you will rearrange it. So 5 into x square minus 2 by 5 plus 2x by 5 minus minus plus है plus 8 by 25. Okay. So this is x square. This is our CF. This. So 5 into x square minus 2 by 5 plus 2x. So this is x square है ना. 2 minus a d square minus 2 into derivative is 2x. So 2x into 2. So it is 4x. It is 4x. So minus 2 by 5 plus 4x. 4x by 5. So one thing that is to do, that is, so what is LCM? That is 5. So 5 minus 2 minus 2. This is what? So 25 is the LCM. Minus 2 by 5 minus 5. So this is LCM is 25. So 5 to the 10 minus 10 plus 8. So this is minus 2 by 25. Okay. So minus 2 by, so this one and this one. Minus 2 by 5 plus 8 by 25 equal to minus 2 by 25 plus 4x by 5 into 5. So now this is multiply. So 5 into x square minus 2 by 5 plus 4x. So 5 into x square minus 2 upon 25. So 25 divided by 5 is what? 5 plus ये 5 हमारा cancel हो गया. So this is 4x. So this is our CF. So this is our CF. So what is the total solution? Y equals to CF plus PI. So what is CF? E raised to x C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x plus PI. What is PI? So this is 5x square minus 2 by 5 plus 4x. Okay. So in this way you will solve the type 3. Thank you.